Hello, this is a video to go over the Pipedrive lead distribution system that I've set up. So it consists of two scenarios and then this spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet has this portion, which I guess is the section that's to be engaged with by whoever's managing the salespeople. Now that I think of it, I don't think it makes sense to have the Pipedrive ID in there, but it could easily be moved. And then the rest of this is the count. So the count is the number of leads that have been assigned to that person in that day. And then relative count is count divided by rate. And what that means is this person, rep one, should get leads, 2 leads for every 1 lead that anyone else gets. So every time a lead's added, it will go up by 0.5. And this will just add leads to whoever has the lowest number of leads in relative count. So it's pretty simple in terms of how it operates, and then it excludes sales reps that are out of office or at capacity. So if we go in here, and I should say as well that this is set up with Pipedrive, but it's applicable to any system. I mean, it's just you could have Freshworks IDs in here and do it with Freshworks or whatever other CRM you want to use. So the lead information comes in, and then this is particular to this specific use case. So this extracts the information. But if you had a form or something, then you just have one module. And then I added some notes in here. So a search is performed for rows that do not contain empty string, and the sort order is descending, and it's ordered by relative count. So again, this column here, and then we have a filter to exclude people who are at capacity or out of office. And we break this into 2 paths. So people who are at capacity are marked as at capacity. I'm just trying to make sure that I don't reveal any personal information of the person who I set this up for. That's why I'm not clicking into the modules. And then if they're within capacity, then they go down this route, and it just compares the count to their max capacity. The person's created organization deal, and then the capacity is updated. So it just takes the count that's returned from here and adds 1 to it. Pretty basic. And then every day at midnight, we have the reset, which happens. So we have a search that's performed for, again, rows that do not contain empty string. And I believe that's in the name field. So, and then they're sorted by ascending and ordered by count. Then we check the date to see what day of the week it is. And we update the row so that if the output is true, then it's marked as within capacity, and if it's not true, then it's marked as out of office. So basically, this is a switch module, and it's taking the current date and converting it into the day of the week, and it's checking to make sure that that person is marked as available for that day. And if they're not, then they are marked as out of office. And if they are, then they're within capacity, and the count is reset for 0 for that day. So as you can see, that's all specified here. And that's essentially all there is to it. It's pretty simple in terms of how it functions. It was really this part that I think was the most complex. So if you have any questions about this, I'm happy to answer them. I hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching.